Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and myself Saxena, your instructor, your mentor, and today I came up with a new playlist that is natural language processing, and in this playlist I will teach you complete roadmap. I will teach you complete roadmap of NLP, how you can master your skills on NLP. And first of all, guys, this is my LinkedIn profile. You can visit my LinkedIn profile and connect me through LinkedIn. If you have any doubt, you can message me. I will definitely try to give revert you back. And guys, I am currently doing my masters in artificial intelligence and robotics from University of Hertfordshire. And guys, you can also check my portfolio, that visit my portfolio and you can connect me through there also. You can see what I am doing currently on what projects I have done, and you can contact me through my LinkedIn also. Definitely I will try to revert you back. So guys, let's begin this video and start this journey in NLP, complete journey in NLP. So guys, this is the roadmap which I have created, and my videos will based on this roadmap only, guys. So for this, guys, basically the first step in which NLP is text pre-processing, that is basically the text cleaning, in which multiple techniques are there. I will teach you each and every techniques, how you can apply this technique on your data. And apart from this, guys, I will make some extra content on some text preprocessing technique only. Basically, that is POS tagging, part of speech, NER, name entity recognition, and one important thing, guys, is regular expression. I will bring a complete dedicated video on regular expression. I will teach you regular each and every concepts in detail related to regular expression. After this, guys, we will move to the second step, that is clean text preprocessing, or you can also call it text representation. In this, guys, I will represent how you can convert your text into a vectors, that is numbers, in the form of numbers. How you will convert the text into numbers? There are multiple techniques like bag of words, TF-IDF, n-grams, and after this, guys, in the same step only, there are some advanced text representation technique, that is which is neural network based, that is word to vec, average word to vec, gensim. After this, guys, the third step will be neural network, where I will teach you what is RNN, LSTM, GRU, recurrent neural network, long short term memory, and all these techniques, basically neural network techniques, I will teach you in detail with complete mathematics behind the working. And I will also code this in my and I will also show the code for these techniques. After this, guys, the major thing, the major advancement, basically this is the thing which you need to understand, which you have to focus more, that is encoder decoder. What is encoder decoder? I will teach you, explain you the complete architecture of encoder decoder, and encoder decoder with attention, what is attention, how it's work, and transformer architecture, how basically transformer works, bird architecture, GPT architecture. Basically these architecture are in the advanced. Basically currently we are using all the LLM models are based on this transformer architecture only, guys. So it is a little complex, but once you understand the architecture, I will explain you in a pretty nice way, that everything will, each and every concept, you will understand each and every concept in detail. So guys, this is a roadmap which I have created for you to teach NLP. So guys, let's begin this journey. Soon I will come with new video, that is part 1, that is text pre-processing. And after this, the videos will come regularly, and you can definitely, guys, subscribe to my channel, like, share If you like, share my videos. If you like them, if you really think that the content which I am providing you is beneficial for you. So guys, thank you.